Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I have a clean with me video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this motivation to get up and do a little bit of cleaning. It took about 50 minutes to clean up the upstairs. I didn't get everything done, but I got most of it done. I'll pop back in at the end of the video and show you guys what it looks like when I'm finished. Hey guys, it has been 51 minutes since I started cleaning and I'm out of steam, so I don't have enough energy to do the stairs right now or spot clean the carpeting, but I'll put that on my to-do list for this week. But let's just take a quick walk around. There was a hairball in the bed, so I'm going to have to wash the comforter. I dusted in here, I vacuumed, and if there's no cats under here, and there are not, I'm going to go ahead and shut the door. Really want to keep them out of these spare bedrooms. This bedroom, I made the bed, and I vacuumed and then dusted this table here. Let's look. Are there any kitties under there? There are not. This door's getting shut too. Unfortunately, this door doesn't stay shut, so I'm going to have to put a gate up against this. Oh, I didn't do the bathroom. That's okay. I did vacuum. That's all I did in here. So I still have to pick up a little bit. But like I said, I'm out of steam. I have a chronic pain. My back is killing me. Okay, in my bedroom, I made the bed sloppily because I'm going to get in it again. I'm probably going to take a nap today. I've been up since 4. I dusted the side table. I dusted the TV and these cubies. And I vacuumed. I did not put my clothes away yet. I'm still got to do that. And then here's the living room. I vacuumed. I did not do the furniture. I didn't dust this. I'm going to have to do that later. Whew. I did do the TV and the table. I vacuumed in here. I wiped down this table. I did wipe down that table. I got the thing for the baseboards, but like I said, I'm tired. So, it looks pretty good. A little less than an hour up here. I still got to do the stairs. I'll do those later after I get a chance to rest a bit. I cleaned, underneath the litter boxes. And then the office, I wiped everything down. And it's amazing how much was missed. We're finding somebody else to clean. And this cubie, even though there was practically nothing in any of these, the dust was thick. It hadn't even been touched. So I dusted all that. I'll put up the pictures later. I wiped down the desk, the printer, the Cricut, the microwave, I didn't do the refrigerator, but that's okay. And then I wiped my desk down, and then I did do the windows that the cats get in, which is this one, and then the one in the living room. So I think it turned out pretty good. It's an hour's worth of cleaning. It's about 1,000 square feet up here. And so not too bad. I still have a lot to do, but like I said, I will get to that sometime next week. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.